Hello Tech Spinners, my name is Glenn Wright and I'm screencasting an introduction to VisualSpinner3D, my JavaScript-based prop spinning simulation engine. You may have seen a demo of the engine in action at Willow Solo's site, Spin More Poi. I'm pretty happy with this demo and it's the top hit on Google for the phrase Poi simulator, but it really only scratches the surface of what the Visual Spinner engine can do. Today I'm going to give a brief tour of the Spin More Poi demo and of several more apps that I've written to showcase the possibilities. The Spin More Poi simulator simply lets you choose and visualize combinations of moves, planes, starting positions, and other variables for 4 different props. For example, this default setup shows 4 poi, 2 of them doing a clockwise extension versus triquetra hybrid, and the other 2 doing a counterclockwise version of the same move. This is a great tool for experimenting with different hybrids and other combinations. For example, we can make a few changes to the props, to the starting positions, and to the spinning directions, and we get a totally different visual effect. I encourage people to experiment. Here's another simple demo. For a long time, I was confused by the timing and direction of poi juggling. Putting together this little app helped clear things up for me, and I hope it can do the same for others. Note the ability to pause and to step the move forward and backwards to explore the movements in detail. This is a slightly more complicated demo for visualizing toroidal flowers. By tinkering with the bend and the number of lobes, you can explore the relationships between isobend, anti-bend, and probend toroids. You can also see that I've included some links to videos about these concepts. This app can also be used to help understand how toroids relate to other movements like flowers and helixes. The original reason that I wrote my simulation engine was to help people plan and analyze tech routines. So I think this next demo is especially important for my project. The video on the right is Ben Drexler's comborific routine, which is extremely technically complex. On the left, I've simulated every move in the routine, including every transition. What's more, the engine can export the routine as a JSON file that can easily be shared online. The last app I'm showing you today is going to get its own video. Until now, the only way to create new routines for the engine was to program them directly, but I'm working on a drag-and-drop interface in the style of a MIDI sequencer or a video editor that should make it possible for non-programmers to build their own routines. That's it for my screencast today. I'm happy to take any questions or suggestions. You can email me at infinite.perplexity@gmail.com, and you can check out the Visual Spinner site either through this link on Willow Solo's site or at this URL right here. Until next time, I'll leave you with an answer to the question that you probably never thought to ask. What would it look like if 4 staves spun clockwise anti-bend toroids at the same time, all from different starting positions? And there you go.